Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive or buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, no, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of your body?
At the right arm, at the back.
Right arm. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I'm 100% healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is my first choice, so that I stick for Malaysia. And also Malaysia is same time for Philippines, so
Being
that
a
I feel comfortable.
All right. So being a first timer working as a domestic helper, do you think what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
So the quality for me as being domestic helper in Malaysia is being responsible and do my job properly and being patient for my employer.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. My name is Audrey Guendalmo, ma'am. I'm 26 years old. I live in Lorato, Agusan del Sur, and my height is I graduated as my vocational course, 2 years nursing attendant in since 2018 to 2020. I have live-in partner and I have no child.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, Audrey. When is your birthday?
October 25, 1999.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
Uh, Age of my live-in partner is 32 and he's working as accounting staff in Lindy.
Okay, did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have four siblings. I have no sister po.
All right. So what is your rank in your family?
Pa,
What is
ma'am.
your rank in your family?
I'm the second one, ma'am.
What about your parents?
Um,
How old is your mother and your father?
my mother is 48 and my father is 54.
What is their occupation?
My father is a barangay officials and my mother is a housewife.
When is your birthday again?
October 25, 1999.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 157 centimeter and my weight is 75 kilogram.
What is your religion?
My religion is a Christian, Methodist church.
Okay, your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what is your working experience?
Ma'am.
What is your working experience in the Philippines?
So my local experience is I have experience as a nanny for a for a 2 years old baby.
Okay, how many years you work?
Ma'am,
Is it stay in or stay out?
stay out.
In which part of the Philippines?
Agusan po, Agusan del Sur.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started at 2020s, end of 2025.
So you worked for 5 years.
Yes, ma'am.
What month in 2020 you started your work?
January 2020 and December 2025.
So you work for 5 years and you stay out.
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you take care?
One po.
How old
1 month.
again?
2 years old.
While taking care of this 2 years old, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
No, ma'am,
So, so
but I willing
you
to.
focus on taking care of the 2 years old, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So you know that working as a domestic helper is not that so easy. This is a very tough one. Do you know it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. This is a two
Yes,
years
ma'am.
contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore or there is anything happen to your family back in the Philippines. Okay?
Yes,
Are you
yes,
ready
ma'am.
for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Being a first timer, homesickness will frequently attack you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna deal with it later?
Actually, ma'am, I am an independent for my family. So that I can handle my sickness. My homesick.
All right. Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned, this is a 2 years contract, and once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer. At the same time, the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. You cannot
Yes,
hold your
ma'am.
phone for 24 hours. You can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And you
Yes,
are entitled to have a rest once a week, but this is a strictly no go out policy. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. Okay? If you don't like
Yes,
our terms and conditions, then don't come here. You have a lot of choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time. In
Yes,
Philippines,
ma'am.
you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any
Yes,
problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Audrey. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am. Have a good day, too.
Okay.